How do I link my Google Play account to my PayPal account?
Hello there. Today we're going to walk through how to link your Google Play account to your PayPal account. This is a useful step if you're looking to make purchases from the Google Play Store with your PayPal account. This guide will provide a step-by-step walkthrough that's easy to follow.
Is your PayPal account ready?
Firstly, ensure you have a working PayPal account. If you don't have one, go to PayPal's website and create an account. Make sure you have the login details handy, as you'll need them later.
Accessing your Google Play account.
On your device, open the Google Play Store app. Ensure you're signed in to the correct Google account you want to link to your PayPal. If not, sign out and log in to the correct account.
Navigating to payment methods.
Once you've confirmed you're signed into the correct Google account, navigate to the Payment Methods section. You can usually find this under Account in the side menu.
Adding PayPal as a payment method.
In the Payment Methods section, you'll find an option to add a new payment method. Select Add PayPal from the list.
Linking your PayPal account.
You'll then be prompted to sign into your PayPal account. Use the login details you have on hand. Once you've signed in, you'll be asked to confirm that you want to link your PayPal to your Google Play account. Hit Yes, and you're all set. And there you have it. You've successfully linked your Google Play account to your PayPal account. You can now make purchases in the Google Play Store directly from your PayPal account. Thanks for following along, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Until next time, happy shopping!